Gentlemen, let me ask you something important. Have you been using baking soda alone to improve your circulation, your blood flow, or your performance in the bedroom? If you have, I need you to pause for a moment, because using baking soda by itself may be the exact reason you're not seeing the results you hoped for. And what I'm about to share with you today could be the difference between frustration and real transformation. My name is Dr. Olivia Parker. I'm a board-certified urologist, and for more than a decade, I've helped men over the age of 50 restore their circulation, vitality, and confidence naturally by understanding how their body chemistry actually works. Today, I'm going to reveal the one simple powder that almost no man ever thinks to combine with baking soda, a powder that's likely already sitting in your kitchen. When these two ingredients meet water, they trigger a powerful chemical reaction that supports blood flow, stamina, and intimate performance in a way baking soda alone simply cannot. Stay with me until the end because I'll show you the exact formula, the precise timing window, and the 4 biological mechanisms that make this combination so effective. Now, I understand how frustrating this feels. The desire is still there. Your mind is ready, but your body doesn't respond the way it used to. Maybe firmness starts strong but fades halfway through. Maybe morning firmness has disappeared altogether. Maybe intimacy has become unpredictable, something you worry about instead of look forward to. And that uncertainty slowly chips away at your confidence, your relationship, and the way you see yourself as a man. I've sat across from thousands of men who describe this exact struggle, and I want you to hear this clearly. This is not simply about getting older. What you're experiencing is a shift in your internal chemistry, and when that chemistry is supported properly, your body can respond again. Here's what's really happening after 50. Your bloodstream becomes slightly more acidic, not dangerously acidic, but just enough to interfere with nitric oxide production. Nitric oxide is the molecule that tells your blood vessels to relax and open wide so blood can flow where it's needed most. When acidity increases, nitric oxide production drops. Blood vessels don't fully relax, circulation slows, and responsiveness fades. At the same time, oxidative stress increases inside your blood vessels. Think of oxidative stress like rust forming internally. It destroys nitric oxide before it can do its job. Red blood cells become stiffer and less able to squeeze through tiny capillaries, and the smooth muscle that controls blood vessel dilation runs low on cellular energy. So when the moment arrives, your body is working against itself. This is why baking soda alone isn't enough. Baking soda is a powerful pH buffer. It helps reduce acidity and creates a better environment for nitric oxide production. Studies have shown it can support endurance and vascular function, but it only fixes one piece of the puzzle. Men over 50 face 4 major challenges: rising acidity, oxidative stress, stiff red blood cells, and declining cellular energy. Baking soda only addresses the first one. That's why so many men say, "I tried baking soda and nothing happened." It's not ineffective, it's incomplete. The missing piece is the second powder, the one almost no man considers. That powder is citric acid. When baking soda and citric acid are mixed in water, they don't just sit together, they react. You see bubbling, fizzing, carbon dioxide releasing. That reaction creates sodium citrate, and this is where the real change begins. Sodium citrate does what baking soda alone cannot. First, it protects nitric oxide from oxidative stress, allowing it to last longer and work more effectively. Baking soda helps produce nitric oxide. Sodium citrate keeps it alive. Second, sodium citrate improves red blood cell flexibility. As men age, red blood cells stiffen and struggle to pass through tiny capillaries. Sodium citrate makes them softer and more elastic, improving oxygen delivery, stamina, and sensation. Third, sodium citrate feeds directly into the citric acid cycle inside your cells, increasing ATP production. This energy is essential for blood vessels to open fully and stay open. This is the difference between starting strong and fading versus staying firm and confident. Fourth, not all of the baking soda reacts. Some bicarbonate remains, continuing to buffer acidity during physical activity and intimacy. So you get transformation from sodium citrate and ongoing pH protection from bicarbonate at the same time. These four mechanisms working together are why men feel warmth, responsiveness, and natural strength returning. Not forced, not artificial, just the way their body used to respond. Timing is critical. This mixture is not instant. In the first 15 minutes, acidity begins to drop. Between 15 and 30 minutes, nitric oxide production increases. Between 30 and 45 minutes, sodium citrate is fully absorbed and energy production ramps up. Between 45 and 60 minutes, you enter the readiness window. This is when circulation, oxygen delivery, and responsiveness align. Peak effects occur between 60 and 90 minutes. Taking this mixture 5 minutes before intimacy will not work. Your body needs time to shift its chemistry. Now, the exact formula. The ratio is 2 parts baking soda to 1 part citric acid. Use approximately half a teaspoon of baking soda and 1/8 teaspoon of citric acid in 8 to 12 ounces of water. Add baking soda first, then citric acid. Let it fizz for 30 to 45 seconds, stir gently, and drink on an empty stomach, at least 45 to 60 minutes before you need peak circulation. If you're new to this, start with half the dose. If you're on a strict low-sodium diet or have kidney or heart conditions, consult your doctor first. What surprises most men is what happens with consistent use. When used 2 to 3 times per week, endothelial function improves, nitric oxide production becomes more natural, energy levels rise, morning firmness returns, and performance becomes more reliable overall. This isn't about forcing performance, it's about restoring circulation at its foundation. Gentlemen, give this protocol 30 days. Follow the timing, be consistent. Most men notice changes within weeks, and some feel it the very first time. If you have questions, leave a comment below. I read them all. I'm Dr. Olivia Parker, urologist, and this is how you support your body the smart way.